something, and I'm going to show you an example of someone not having a clue what they are doing with policy.
Do you know that right now, and they weren't building them with me, they weren't building anything in Mexico having to do with cars with me, because I said, if you build it, we're going to put 200%, you're not going to sell one car into this country. And
that's Donald Trump talking about U.S. automakers moving to Mexico. And him saying that he told them, if you go to Mexico, we're going to put a 200% tariff on everything coming out of your country, right? That's what he's telling people. So what is one of the big reasons automakers are moving to Mexico? The USMCA. Additionally, U.S. automotive manufacturers are making the move to Mexico due to the USMCA incentives. Per the automotive provision, companies are offered reduced tariffs or possible duty-free trading as long as 75% of the components are manufactured in the U.S., Mexico, and Canada. Where did the USMCA come from? It is literally Donald Trump's free trade agreement that replaced NAFTA. It is Donald Trump's free trade agreement that promised Mexico and Canada that if automakers moved there, that as long as they bought the components from one of those three countries, they would be relieved of 75% of the tariffs or be completely duty-free. And he's claiming he told them he was going to put a 200% tariff on cars coming out of Mexico, when it's literally his policy, his trade policy, that removed all of that. He doesn't have a clue what he's doing. He probably does not know one word that is in the USMCA. Thanks.